Leshiy 2.0. Leshiy 2 is a revolutionary development of ED gun, a semi-automatic air gun with a folding stock. It features a fully modular design, i.e. you get a basic body which you can use to assemble totally different rifles. The revolutionary design features a completely new valve type. It took a long time to develop it, and eventually the valve design received several international patents at once. As a result, you can equip the air gun with different barrels from 9.8 to 23.6 inches long. The basic configuration of Leshiy 2 air gun is the 9.8 and 13.7 inch barrel options. The stock of the rifle is also modular. As I said, Leshiy 2 is semi-automatic, which means you don't need to do anything to fire it other than removing the safety and pulling the trigger. The air gun is very compact, fits in a bag, boat, easily stowed in a car, unfolds effortlessly, and goes into ready-to-fire mode in a matter of seconds when you press a special key. TF19 Wasp. TF19 Wasp is a flamethrower attachment for drones designed to remotely set fire to airborne and ground targets. It was actually designed to help in the agriculture industry, but it's clear that there are other applications for a flamethrower for drones. This attachment is designed for unmanned flying vehicles with a payload capacity of 5 pounds or more. TF19 Wasp attachment is capable of igniting targets up to 25 feet away. The fuel tank capacity is 1 gallon, and the firing time between refills is 100 seconds. The flamethrower is suitable for any mission, such as clearing debris from power lines, fighting pests, destroying nests, containing forest fires. There's also the so-called agricultural burning. A drone with a flamethrower also comes in handy for this purpose if you prefer working remotely, especially since working with fire can be dangerous. Raging Hunter. The all-new product in recent years is the Taurus Raging Hunter 460 Magnum revolver with a 10.5-inch barrel. The revolver is equipped with a proprietary compensator that effectively tames the recoil of a powerful round by 25% more than conventional barrel ports. That means the shooter can shoot quickly several times in a row. The muzzle brake is locked in place with a dual retention system that prevents rotation in case of heavy recoil. Thanks to a stable platform, long barrel, compensator, and optic mounted on top of the Picatinny rail, Raging Hunter allows you to reach the ranges that hunters with handheld firearms could never even imagine. Like all other 460 Magnum round handguns, Raging Hunter can safely chamber and fire the less powerful 454 Castle and 45 Colt rounds. Cannon. The American company X Products has developed a weapon that can be used not to shoot bullets, but anything you might think of, within reasonable limits. For example, tennis balls, or even soda cans and aerosol cans. And if you get some authorized accessories, you can shoot golf balls, spears, grappling hooks. Pirates of the past wouldn't mind having such a device in their arsenal. The device is smoothbore and is compatible with AR-15 or M16 semi-automatic rifles. The device doesn't officially classify as a weapon, and you don't need a license to buy it. So anyone can get a cannon for outdoor entertainment. Just don't shoot anything really dangerous with it, and don't aim it at any living creatures. By the way, you can find this cannon in the game Roblox Phantom Forces, unlocking it at rank 222 or buying it for credits. Although in real life it's designed for having fun, in the game, cannon is a very powerful weapon for shooting at medium range with 75-55 damage from a single can. It's guaranteed to eliminate the enemy with 2 shots at any range. MCX Spear. MCX Spear is a civilian version of the U.S. Army XM7 rifle. The non-reciprocating side and rear handles provide maximum shooting flexibility and the ability to mount optic. Fully ambidextrous controls provide optimum comfort of operation for left or right-handed shooters. The stock is telescopic but can be easily swapped for a different stock. In addition to the AR-15 standard charging handle, there's a foldable one on the left side. According to the manufacturer, MCX Spear is the most innovative and advanced AR platform in the world. MCX Spear has a total length of 34 inches with the stock fully unfolded and weighs 8.6 pounds. The rifle comes with a single 20-round magazine. MP155 Ultima. The Kalashnikov Group announced the start of sales of the unique MP155 Ultima shotgun. The new model combines the reliability of the proven MP155 semi-automatic shotgun with improved ergonomics and ultra-modern design. Modular design allows to tune the shotgun for various tasks. What sets this model apart from the rest is an onboard computer with a digital display. Yes, this is literally a smart gun. Features include a shot and time counter, recording of stats, signals to indicate the start and end of the training, as well as the ability to set a fixed or random start delay. In addition, the gun is equipped with a stopwatch and compass. Standard configuration features a magazine capacity of 7 rounds, weight of 10 pounds, and barrel length of 20 inches. Diesel X Elite. We seem to be too focused on rifles. Let's talk a bit about crossbows. Diesel X Crossbow features a patented, fully synchronized X-cam system that requires less drawing force than most crossbows, which enables a smoother, quicker shot. This makes the crossbow the perfect hunting weapon, with projectiles that fly at about 405 feet per second. Ultra narrow at rest, Diesel X is only 6.25 inches long when cocked, which makes it very comfortable to shoulder. Diesel X was designed as a compact, well-balanced crossbow that'll suit any shooter. In addition, the buttstock is adjustable, allowing you to customize the length of the pull. The crossbow weighs only 7.4 pounds. TIKAD. Duke Robotics, founded in 2014, developed stabilization solutions for robots in the military sector. Since then, their technologies have found their way into the civilian sector as well. But let's focus on the TIKAD, the first and only unmanned aerial vehicle with a lightweight firearm. It enables remote, real-time, accurate firing from a drone platform. TIKAD is changing the way military operations are executed. It can be used in armed confrontations with a minimum of casualties. The company's now using its advanced technology for civilian applications, such as cargo delivery and infrastructure maintenance. The company believes that troops can use TIKAD to quickly and effectively resolve potentially dangerous situations from the air. The technology also allows for combat missions without deploying ground troops. Trap T360. Precision Remotes LLC and its sister company, IEC Infrared Systems, have developed an advanced command and control system for remotely operated weapon systems. It was the first such development available on the market. T360 is a lightweight, remote-operated system that can be used on fixed sites and vehicles. The low weight of less than 80 pounds without weapons or ammunition means convenient transportation to the field and servicing. The T360 system is also unique since it uses standard weapons. This allows to dismantle and use them manually if necessary. The small size also provides for much less power draw compared to other remote weapon stations. This makes the T360 well-suited for robotic vehicle applications where small size, weight, and power are crucial factors. By the way, remember the robotic dogs from Boston Dynamics? The developers once hoped that their creations would be used by the military, but larger models were believed to be more suitable for this purpose. These days, however, sniper rifles with night vision systems have been installed on the Spot robot, the one that jumps, dances, and acts like a dog. Well, now it also serves in the military forces. Sword Defense Systems has released a precision robot dog rifle capable of hitting targets at 3/4 of a mile away during the day and night thanks to a 30 times optical zoom. The rifle is designed to primarily fire 6.5mm Creedmoor rounds. The rifle also has a ceramic coating so that the night vision systems wouldn't spot the robot dog. Arsenal AF 2011 A1. This gun was created as a proof of concept to demonstrate the manufacturer's technical capabilities. It was introduced to the public several years ago at the SHOT Show and got a lot of attention from potential buyers. The gun itself is two 1911 frames and slides combined to form a single weapon. It has two barrels, hammers, magazines, and triggers connected together so that pulling one trigger will fire both barrels. The sights are located between the two barrels. Although this gun might be fun to look at, it's rather difficult to imagine its practical application in real life. On the other hand, the gun is considered to be the first industrial double-barrel semi-automatic pistol of all time. And of course, a weapon like this just had to appear in movies. It looks like it belongs there. The AF-2011A1 was first seen in My Name is Paul in 2014, then appeared in the TV series Intruders, and then finally made its way to the Bond franchise. In 2015, Spectre, Mr. Hanks fires it and leaves two distinct bullet holes in the side of the plane. To film this scene, Arsenal Firearms supplied 5 guns that had to be specially modified to fire blank rounds. ADS. ADS is a Russian assault rifle specifically designed for combat divers. For decades, Soviets and then Russian combat divers and naval commando units were armed with special weapons for underwater combat. But these weapons had a number of drawbacks, including low effectiveness and limited life expectancy. There were especially many problems when underwater weapons had to be used above water. Finally, ADS, a rifle with a grenade launcher, was created. This automatic rifle is equipped with a water/air switch, integrated 40mm underbarrel grenade launcher, and combined mounts for all types of sights. The barrel can be fitted with a silencer or a blank firing adapter. The weapon uses 5 45 by 39mm ammunition and fires at a rate of 700 rounds per minute with a range of 1,640 feet on land. The effective range underwater with the specially designed rounds is not as great, about 82 feet at a depth of 16 feet, and 59 feet at a depth of 66 feet. By the way, until recently, ADS was classified and it was strictly forbidden to show it in public. You can find similar weapons in the game Depth, developed by Digital Confectioners and released for Microsoft Windows in 2014. It's a multiplayer first-person shooter in the underwater setting. Each player takes control of either a diver or a shark, and then they fight each other. Well, where would an ordinary person use an amphibious rifle if not in a game like this? Thor. Compared to other existing grenade launchers on the market, Thor grenade launcher enables a 150% power-up of M203 grenade. Thor grenade launcher is compatible with 40mm grenades, which means it can use a wide variety of M203 shells. That is, it can shoot anything from paintballs and foam rockets to Nerf footballs, not to mention actual grenades. Thor grenade launcher is not only a standalone launcher, it can also be upgraded with a special attachment kit. The kit's made of high-strength, lightweight polymer material, so you can enjoy all the benefits of carrying the M203 grenade launcher without adding considerable extra weight. Thor is also portable, can be mounted on a quick detach belt loop or even on a vest. And the ergonomic pistol grip makes handling comfortable and easy. Pivot. You're looking at a semi-automatic, magazine-fed, ultra-compact folding 9mm rifle. Patented technology allows the weapon to collapse in a unique way, maximizing portability without sacrificing functionality. All thanks to the unique configuration of the upper and lower receiver, which allows the upper part to unlock and flip 180 degrees so that the barrel is pointing in the same direction as the stock. That is, it essentially folds in half. In this folded configuration, the pivot has a compact overall length of 21 inches and a width of about 1 inch. Thanks to the combination of steel, aluminum, and polymer components, the weapon weighs only 5 pounds without additional accessories. The total length of the pivot in the firing position is between 27 and 30 inches, depending on the position of the collapsible stock. Matrix Pro. Masterpiece Arms chassis rifles have been the gold standard for long-range shooters for years. Matrix Pro is the next generation of the famous rifle, with multiple grip configurations, thumb rests, and trigger finger supports. The primary interface between the shooter and the rifle has over 100 different options. Matrix Pro is designed to meet the needs of top-level competitors. As the competitive marketplace changes rapidly, the equipment needed by top shooters must also evolve. FN510 Tactical. Meet the most powerful defensive pistol ever made. FN510 Tactical carries 23 rounds of 10mm ammunition and can stop even a bear in its tracks. But all the power and magazine capacity doesn't matter if you can't aim all those rounds well, so the pistol's built for pinpoint control, red dot ready with a crisp trigger and unrivaled ergonomics. With sufficient capacity and stopping power, this gun is designed specifically for defense. It weighs 2 pounds, has an overall length of 8 inches, and all controls can be mirrored depending on whether the user is right or left-handed.